Hello and welcome to Market View at Deven Choksey, a daily market podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. It's the last trading session of the week and the GIFT Nifty is trading lower, indicating a negative start for the Indian markets. The Asian markets are largely lower, where Hang Seng is down around 1.5%, Shanghai is falling around 1%. The US futures did trade higher after cash market posted record close on Thursday. The US market did end at record high for second straight session and key indices hit intraday highs. FedEx did rise around 13% in extended trading on beating quarter two adjusted earnings. The Dow Jones on pace to post our best week in nearly 3 months, up 3% this week. Apple did fall 4% on lawsuit over smartphone market monopoly allegations. The US weekly initial jobless claims did fall to 2.10 lakh versus 2.12 lakh last week. US 10-year yield is steady near 4.25% following softer weekly initial jobless claims data. The crude is lower on weaker US demand data and geopolitical tensions. Brent is trading at $85 a barrel currently. And last but not the least, gold prices did fall near as we see a dollar index is rising above 102. So this is how the trade setup for the global market looks like this morning. Let us now take a look at the trade setup for today. The market recorded healthy gains and successfully reclaimed the 50-day exponential moving average on 21st of March after a doji candlestick pattern formation in the previous session, indicating a strong bullish reversal. Hence, the Nifty 50 is likely to march towards 22,100 to 22,300 zone, initially with support at 21,700, and once it manages to sustain about 22,300, then a rally towards record highs can't be ruled out. In the last trading session, the Sensex jumped around 540 points to close at 72,641, while the Nifty 50 rose 173 points to close at 22,012 levels after a positive opening and formed small-bodied bullish candlestick pattern with upper and lower shadow on the daily charts. Looking ahead, the Nifty could potentially extend its gains towards the range of 22,250 to 25,300. Moreover, a breakthrough above 22,300 may initiate a rally towards 22,500. The buy on dip strategy is expected to remain viable as long as Nifty maintains levels above 21,840. On the higher side, short-term resistance lies at 22,150 to 22,200. However, below 21,950, traders may prefer to exit from the trading long positions. The declining volatility also supported the market, giving confidence to bulls. The India VIX, the fear index, fell by 7.12% to the 12.51 level, while the BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices gained more than 2.4% each. Considering all of these, now we take a look at the key support and resistance levels. Nifty may face resistance at 22,025 followed by 22,098 and 22,151 levels. On the lower side, the index may take immediate support at 21,958 followed by 21,925 and 21,872. Talking about Bank Nifty, in the last trading session, the Bank Nifty rebounded after weakness in the previous 9 consecutive sessions, rising 374 points to 46,685. The index has seen a positive opening and formed a doji sort of candlestick pattern on the daily charts as the closing was near opening levels. The index is likely to inch higher to 47,000 to 47,270 over the next few trading sessions. The crucial support zone is placed at 46,500 to 46,400. Bank Nifty may see resistance at 46,723 followed by 47,008 and 47,169. On the lower side, it is expected to take support at 46,588 followed by 46,489 and 46,328. So these are all the important support and resistance levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. We now take a look at the stocks in news. Clearly, we start with technology stocks as they are in focus. IT services provider Accenture lowered its revenue forecast for fiscal year 2024 to 1 to 3% from 2 to 5% earlier due to economic uncertainty, leading clients to reduce spending on consulting services. Wipro is another stock in focus as Wipro IT Services LLC, the step-down subsidiary of the company, has entered into an agreement with General Motors and Magna International to incorporate a new entity, that is SD Verse LLC. The said transaction has been completed on 20th of March. Prestige Estate is another stock in focus as Bangalore-based real estate development company Prestige Group acquired 62.5 acres of land in Indirapuram Extension, NCR. The cost of acquisition is 468 crore along with a revenue share. Keep an eye on Bharat Dynamics as the state-owned defence company has declared an interim dividend of 8.85 rupee per equity share for the financial year 2023-24 and also announced a subdivision of existing one equity share into two equity shares. The next stock in focus would be Sarda Energy and Minerals. Natural Resources Energy, the subsidiary joint venture company, has received the letter of intent for the composite license from the Industry, Energy, Labour and Mining Department, Government of Maharashtra for the Sarjagad 1 iron ore block in Maharashtra. Tata Communications is the last stock we need to keep in focus for today, as the company has received approval from the board of directors to enter into a business transfer agreement for the hive-off of its identified New Edge digital services business to its wholly owned subsidiary Novamesh as a going concern on a slump sale basis for 458 crore. We now take a look at the FIs and DIs data. Foreign institutional investors net sold shares worth rupees 1,827 crore, while domestic institutional investors bought shares worth rupees 3,209 crore on the 21st of March. So all in all, this is how the trade setup for today's trading session looks like. Considering all that has happened during the trading session, during the week, in fact, we need to consider that there's a lot of volatility in the market. However, the market have tried to sustain and recover themselves as well. But irrespective of market conditions, like we always say, research is the backbone of successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art that we understand. We at Deven Choksey have our exclusive research services which are powerful and successful. To avail our exclusive research services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and you are done. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. So don't wait any further and embark on a wealth building adventure together. Thank you and have a nice day.